Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram confirm it's you to log in. Before we send a code, we need to confirm it's you. Captcha code problem on Instagram. If you solve Captcha code problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, click on manage apps, search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, again click on storage, tap on clear data, again tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version and solve Instagram Captcha code problem. Step 3. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram confirm it's you to login problem on Captcha code problem in Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.